Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
So here question number 27, find the equation of the line passing through the point 1 4. So here the line passing through the point 1 4, that is the coordinate, and intersecting the line x minus 2y minus 11 that equal to 0. Okay, so here the intersecting point is 1 comma 4, and here x minus 2y minus 11 that equal to 0 on the y axis, So now if line x minus 2y minus 11 that equal to 0 passes through y axis, that means x equal to 0. So if x equal to 0, then you can put the value of x equal to 0 in this equation, and if you put here x equal to 0, that means minus 2y minus 11 equal to 0, and from that minus y equal to minus 11 by 2. So that is the value of minus y. So the coordinates of that point equal to 0 minus 11 by 2. Okay, so here the coordinates of that point 0 minus 11 by 2. So now you have to find out the slope. So for here m equal to y2 minus y1, then x2 minus x1. So here the two coordinates of the point, first one is 1 4 and second one is 0 minus 11 by 2. So from that you have to find out the slope. So that means minus 11 by 2 minus y1 means 4, and here 0 by 1. Okay, so from here 11 by 8 by 2, and here minus 1, so that equal to minus 19 by 2, so it's 19 by 2. So here 19 by 2 is the slope. Now you have to find out the equation. Okay, you have to find out the equation of that line. So here the formula, the equation of formula y minus y1 that equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1, so value of y1 equal to minus 11 by 2. So here y minus y1, that means y plus 11 by 2, and here value of m equal to 19 by 2, and here x minus x1, that means x minus 0. So from that here 2y plus 11 by 2 that equal to 19 by 2x. So 2 cancel out. So here 2y plus 11 equal to 19x. Okay, so 2y plus 11 equal to 19x, that means here the answer 19x minus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. That is the equation of that straight line. So now sum number 28. In sum number 28, find the equation of the straight line containing the point 3, 2 and making positive equal intercept on the axis. So that is the given straight line and is containing the point 3, 2 and positive making the equal intercept, that means OA equal to OB. Okay, so you can write here OA equal to OB, that we are equal intercept. So if OA equal to OB, here the length of OA equal to x and here the length of OB equal to y. So from that x equal to y. Now next thing you have to find out the slope. So formula y2 minus y1, then x2 minus x1. So here y2 means 0. So 0 minus then y1 means y, and here x minus 0. So that means minus y by x. Now you know that x equal to y, so just put down the value. So minus x by x that equal to minus 1. Okay, so here slope equal to minus 1. Now next thing is you have to find out the equation of the straight line. So to find out the equation of the straight line, just put down the formula y minus y1, then m into x minus x1. So y minus y1, now y1 is 2, so it's y by 2, that is minus 1, and here x minus 3. So here the equation y minus 2 minus x plus 3. So finally you will get x plus y minus 5 that equal to 0. So that is the final answer. So now next sum number 29. So in sum number 29, the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD taken in order are A36, B510 and C32. So suppose this is a parallelogram. So there is A, B, C and D. So here the coordinate of A is 3, 6. Coordinates of B equal to 5, 10. Coordinates of C 3, 2. So let the coordinates of D x, y. Okay, so here is ABCD is a parallelogram. So now if you join AC and BD, so these are two diagonals of that parallelogram. Now according to the properties of the parallelogram, the two diagonals are two diagonals are bisect each other. That means this point, if you mark this point as 0, so or O, so this is the midpoint of AC as well as BD. So first you have to find out the coordinates of O. So as AC, that means coordinates of O, here O is first part is 3 plus 3 by 2. So 3 plus 3 by 2. Next one is 6 plus 2 by 2. That means here 6 by 2, here 8 by 2. So that means here 4, sorry, it's not 4, it's 3 and it's 4. So 3 comma 4 is the coordinates of the point O. Okay, so if 3 4 is the coordinates of the point O and it is also the midpoint of BD, that means you can easily write down 5 plus x by 2 that equal to 3, 5 plus x by 2 that equal to this coordinate, and then 4 plus 10 by 2 that equal to y. So from that so here the coordinate of O is 3 4. So here O, that means O is also the midpoint of BD. Okay, so that means 5 plus x by 2 that equal to 3, and then 10 plus y by 2 that equal to 4. So from that 5 plus x equal to 6 and x equal to 1, and here 10 plus y equal to 4. So y equal to not 4, it's 8. So y equal to minus 2. So the coordinates of D point that equal to 1 comma minus 2. That is the first answer. Now the next one, in the next one you have to find out length the diagonal of BD. So to find out the length of the diagonal, you can just apply the formula root over x2 minus x1, that means 5 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, so that means 10 plus 2 whole square. So in this formula you can easily find out the length of the diagonal. So here now the third part, in third part you have to find out the equation of side AB, the equation of side AB of the parallelogram. So here the first point A point 36 and B point 510. Now according to the formula, if you find out the equation by with the helping the 2 points, the formula is x minus x1 by y minus y1 that equal to x2 minus x1 and it's y2 minus y1. So that is the formula. Now you have to just put down the value. So here x minus x1 means 3, here y minus y1 is 6, then x2 means 5 minus 3, and then 10 minus 6. So that equal to x minus 3 by y minus 6, and here 2, here 4, so half, so that means 2x minus 6 equal to y minus 6. So that equal to 6 cancel out. So 2x minus y equal to 0. So that is the equation. So here the next problem, sum number 30. Okay, so in sum number 30, so here the next problem, sum number 30. So in sum number 30, A and B 2 points on x axis and y axis. So there is 2 points for x axis and y axis. Now here P 2 minus 3, here P2 minus 3 is the midpoint of that line AB. Now you have to find out, first find out the coordinates of A and B point. So if P is the midpoint and if A point on the x axis, so you can write here the coordinate of that point x comma 0, and if B point on y axis, then the coordinate equal to here 0 comma y. Okay, so if P is the midpoint, that means x plus 0 by 2 that equal to 2, and then 0 plus y by 2 that equal to minus 3. So here x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 3. That means coordinate of A 4 comma 0, and coordinate of B here, sorry, it's not minus 3, it's minus 6. So coordinate of B that equals 0 comma minus 6. So now the next part, in the next part you have to find out the slope of the line AB. So to find out the slope, the formula of n y2 minus y1, that means x2 minus 0, then x2 minus x1, so 0 minus 4. So here minus 6 by minus 4, so that equal to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is the slope of AB. Now last one, you have to find out the equation of the line AB. So to find out the equation of line, formula y minus y1 m into x minus x1. Okay, so here m equal to 3 by 2 and here y1 is 3 minus 3 and x1 is 2. So y plus 3, then 3 by 2, then x minus 2. So from that 2y plus 6 equal to 3x minus 6. So then 3x minus 2y and it's minus 12 equal to 0. So that is the final answer. Okay, now next sum number 34. In sum number 34, find the equation of the diagonals of a rectangle whose sides x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2, y equal to minus 2, y equal to 6. So first you have to draw a axis. So that is y axis and that is x axis. So it's y dash, it's y, x and x dash. Okay, so here first x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2, that means the coordinate, if x equal to minus 1 here and y equal to minus 2, so that means this point, so put this point A and it's minus 1 minus 2. Now next x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 6. So if x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 6, suppose this is point 6, so that is the next point minus 1, 6. Now next one, x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 2. So if x equal to 2, 1, 2 and y equal to 2, suppose this point, so it's 2 minus 2. Now last one, x equal to 2, y equal to 6. So if y equal to 2 here, then y equal to 6 here. So that is 2, 6. So these are the 4 vertices of the rectangle. Now if you join this one, so you can get the rectangle, and here is A, it's B, it's C and it's D. So here A, B, C, D is the given rectangle. Now first you have to draw AC, the first diagonal, and then the next diagonal BD. Okay, now you have to find out the equation of AC and BD. So to find out the equation of AC and BD, first you have to find out the slope. I hope you can easily find out the slope of AC with the help of this point and this point, and then you can apply the formula y minus y1 into m into x minus x1. Secondly, same thing, second you have to find out the slope of B and D, and then you can find out the result, the equation of BD. In this way you can solve this kind of problems. Okay, so now the last problem, sum number 35. In sum number 35, find the equation of a straight line passing through the origin. Origin means 0, 0. Okay, origin means 0, 0. Now next, and through the point of intersection of the lines 5x plus 1y, 5x plus 1y minus 3 equal to 0. That is the first, and second one 2x, sorry it's not, it's 0, and second one 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. So these are two equations. Now you have to find out the point of intersection from these two lines. Okay, so you can easily solve this problem by the help of simultaneous linear equation. So by substituting method you can easily find out the value of x and y from here. So here you will get the value of x equal to 2 and value of y equal to minus 1. You can apply any formula, elimination method or cross multiplication method, any one. So from that x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1. So that means the point of intersection these two straight lines, so the coordinates it's 2 minus 1. Now you have to find out the equation of the line which is passes through this point and this point. So to find out the equation, first you have to find out the slope. So slope y1, y2 minus y1, so minus 1, 0, and then 2 minus 0. So here the slope is minus 1 by 2. So value of m equal to minus half. Now you have to apply the formula y minus y1, then m into x minus x1. Okay, so in this formula just put down the value. So here y minus 0 and here m means minus half, then x minus 0. So here y minus 0 equal to minus half x minus 0, so that equal to y equal to minus x by 2. So if you multiply it, 2y plus x equal to 0, that is the final answer.